So you want to try that again? With less hitting me in the face this time?
Well, it would have worked if your movements weren't so erratic and formless.
So it was all my fault? Oh, you totally weren't even trying to sync with my dancing. You should know how I dance by now.
Stop! Come on, guys, please stop fighting. If you can't get along with each other, I might never get to see your awesome fusion power. And I might get eaten by a giant bird.
Steven!
Steven Jr.! How can you eat at a time like this? Hey, is that the heaven beetle? Let me see it. Hey! Be a good goat and give me the magic bug! I got it! No! Bad goat! You're no son of mine! Ah! What's going on? Steven Jr.! Opal?
Stay low.
Do you know who I am?
All you wanna do is see me turn into
A giant woman.